and pick the smaller to medium beads. You know, it's the best thing about Velvetty gel. You can add more as you needed it. Okay.
So Lisa, we will make an announcement soon when it gets closer to Black Friday. Because right now we gotta get through Halloween first.
Yeah, we just have to get ready for. I think we're getting everything is back from the shows, and we are. But the specials right now we having is really cool. A Halloween special sales at up to 50% off. And also there's a lot of really cool news going on. With all the purchase of $99 or more, you are receiving the mystery trader bags. You don't have to add it on unless you want another ones, but mystery trader bags. And a lot of products is save up to 50%. A lot of new products is out, and also special on sales, and a special bundle is absolutely amazing. And free classes with several bundles when if you check out on the class section. But also keep in mind, if you can't make it to the class and you enjoy this tutorials and you love it, you definitely nailed it, you can definitely get a special bundle from the class. I'm gonna add some more base. If you can't make it to the class but you love to grab the special bundle, which is that bundle special created for the class, so when you get the bundles, the class come free with it, so you don't have to pay extra for the class at all. All right, so I'm gonna do this really simple one, which is I'm gonna show you something that's really cool on the top of this. It's like really cool. You can create thin coat, and I want it to like have a cool ombre. Another, I'm looking for this one. Can I get that one? This one come in with the bundle, one of the bundles for Velvetty gels for the class. I'm gonna leave this on. Add just a little bit glitter. I'm loving the fact that it's glow in the dark, and also is the changing colors. All right, happy with this. I'm gonna go ahead and flash key it for 30 seconds, and I'll go back with the crystal clear. That is like odorless, and it's so easy to sculpting the nails, to do enhancements without frustration about liquid and powder ratio. So here for 30 seconds. And then we'll go ahead and using the crystal clear, close all the colors. Smaller beads. Which one is that? Oh my gosh. Looks so cool. You change the colors. It's like have a light. Now this one at purple though. The other one like more blush pink. Yeah. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. And then we're gonna using the belly of the bristle. And kind of blend and guide the crystal clear. Taper in on the side. and turn it upside down, so then it's let the gravity do all the work for you. All right, so look on the side. And as I love the glitter is so like 3 dimensionals. All right, here for 60-second phone care.